Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here. This is an exciting moment for me. Somebody reached out to me and asked me to start putting my Amazon wish list on my videos and stuff, and then they bought stuff for me and sent me art supplies, and I have no idea what they are, but I just got it, so here I am gonna open it on camera for you guys, and I am so super excited for this. Alright. Ooh, okay, so I really wanted these. They're col-erase pencils, and they're Prismacolor, and they're basically just like color pencils, but you can erase them, and they're really good. I mostly wanted them for sketching. I don't do a lot of like pencil work pieces, but I really don't like sketching with regular graphite pencils because it's just like it doesn't look nice when you like add watercolor on top or like paint or anything, and I don't know, I want colored pencils, but they don't always erase, so I needed erasable ones. So yeah, I'm very excited. This was one of the highest priority items on my wish list, so really excited for that. And ooh, look at this beautiful washi tape. Look how pretty this is. Like, oh my gosh, these designs are so pretty. Now this is really for my bullet journal and not as much art pieces, but my Amazon wish list has both bujo and art supplies on it. So, yep, and that was it. Here's the little gift notes, and he said, "Hey V, finally able to send you stuff. Can't wait to see art pieces you make with this." And I actually don't know how to pronounce his name, but it's like EZSITHYN. I'll put it in the description, but thank you so much. I'm like super excited for this stuff. I am 100% gonna use both of these things all the time. I can't wait to open this up and put it in my bullet journal like right now. And I'm actually going to use these later when I do some sketching. Just in a second, actually, I'm going to sketch out my Palettefull Packs plan. So, woo! Thank you so much again. This was super awesome. I'm like just blown away that that somebody like wanted to send me stuff. Like I almost cried. Like honestly, it like touched me so much. I was like, look, when I got the email that there was like that I had a package coming because I have informed delivery, I was like, oh my god, this is real life. Like, this is really happening. Like, somebody in the world like wants to support me and thinks that I'm like worth supporting, you know? Like, and that's amazing. So thank you so much. Really made a lot of my days with this whole experience, and I'm glad that we've been talking more and are friends now, and I'm so touched, honestly. Like, just wow, this whole YouTube artist experience has been incredible, and I'm sure it will continue to be incredible. So again, thank you so much, and everybody that, I don't know how interesting of a video that was to watch, but thank you guys so much. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Yeah, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'm having a good day. I feel good. I'm having a good day. I hope you guys do too. Bye.